Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance memory with the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RT DDR4 3600. Designed specifically to enhance the aesthetics and capabilities of AMD Ryzen systems, this RAM kit is a powerhouse of innovation. Let's talk lighting first. With 10 individually addressable RGB zones, encased in a panoramic light pipe, the illumination from this memory is nothing short of mesmerizing. Whether you're going for a subtle glow or a vibrant light show, the possibilities are endless. Plus, with CORSAIR ICE software, customization is a breeze. Choose from preset profiles or craft your own, syncing effortlessly with other ICE-compatible devices for a unified setup. But it's not just about looks, performance matters too. Optimized for AMD motherboards, the Vengeance RGB RT automatically configures to maximum supported speeds, ensuring faster load times and seamless multitasking. And thanks to the custom PCB and carefully screened memory chips, overclocking potential is unlocked, pushing your system to its limits with stability and reliability. Speaking of reliability, the dual-tone aluminum heat spreader not only looks sleek but also efficiently conducts heat away from the memory modules, keeping temperatures in check even during intense overclocking sessions. In summary, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RT DDR4 3600 is more than just memory, it's a statement piece for your Ryzen-powered rig. With its stunning RGB lighting, optimized performance, and overclocking capabilities, it's the perfect choice for enthusiasts and gamers alike who want the best of both worlds, style and substance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.